Let's enjoy delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Theodora Gutierrez. And there's our gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats. And at her door, yes, that's me speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, the author, writer, New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am. And you'll find this book and all my more than 15 books at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, Ex Libris, Amazon, and all online stores. So let's head on to our plate. And we have mustard and tomato in our Pompano Filet burger that we cooked in our Pompano omelette that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook Pompano Filet or Pompano fish with coconut cream and pineapple. Yum. With our excuse me please. I'm so excited, my throat chakra is excited to eat with you. And our organic dessert cherries. Wow. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. The aroma is inviting you and me and all of us to enjoy this Pompano Filet omelette. You could enjoy in our breakfast burger, Pompano burger, or any time. Happy cooking, masayang pagluluto in the Tagalog language. Yum. Enjoy.